Hello, my name is Dawani Turner-Ward, and my project is analyzing and visualizing poor water nutrient concentration data. My project has two goals. The first is to produce data that contributes to the history of a site that is the location of other previous and ongoing similar studies. And the second is to create an art piece that enhances both scientific analysis and communication of our data to the public. This project began in fall of 2019 as a poor water nutrient concentration study of a shore normal transect at the Gulf Islands National Seashore Naval Live Oaks Preservation Area in Pensacola, Florida. In the field, our sampling method was to draw pore water up from underwater sediment using a miniature piezometer and modified drill, and then immediately filtering and freezing these samples in the field. These samples were collected at regular intervals from 0 to 30 meters offshore and 8 to 150 centimeters into the sediment. In the lab, we processed these samples by running them alongside concentration standards using standard nutrient spectroscopy methods to analyze for nitrate, nitrite, and phosphate concentrations. This data was reported in micromolars. We then conducted analysis on this data by spatially organizing it and entering it into sigma plot to produce graphs that show how each nutrient is concentrated throughout the area we sampled. These graphs are seen in the data column of my poster. As these aspects of my project were completed, I also expanded into the field of art as I recognized barriers to communicating my data to the public. While discussing my project with others, I discovered that it was difficult to convey my data and its meaning to people who lack background knowledge in the subject area. This led me to design a three-dimensional art piece modeling our data that provides greater visual cues to the space that we are representing, while also allowing all nutrient data to be seen as a single layered visual. By utilizing both art and STEM, many aspects of this project are, at their heart, a response to the STEAM movement. The STEAM movement arises from the addition of art to the traditional STEM fields, typically to explore methods of understanding through the senses. This project strives to improve data understanding for scientists by offering a new perspective of their work, while improving communication to the public by creating a data visualization that offers more visual and spatial cues to the actual space it represents than more abstracted digital graphs produced by SigmaPlot. If you're interested in learning more about my project, please come to my live session for a Q&A. I'd appreciate it if you prepared by taking a look at my poster and viewing the supplementary media I've provided as well that includes illustrations of the art I designed for this project. I look forward to meeting you there.